We are working on GMetrix Excel Expert Practice Exam 2. We're currently on the 5th project called Farmers Market. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and change the theme fonts to Arial, and then we're going to go ahead and save that theme in our GMetrix templates folder. So from here, we want to go to the page layout tab here at the top. In the themes group, we'll go ahead and click fonts, and we'll select Arial. And then from here, we want to click the themes drop down and click Save Current Theme. And what we want to do is go to our GMetrix templates folder, Farmers Market, click Save, click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and go to the Farmers Market tab, so we'll go ahead and do that. What it wants us to do is to change the date here in E1 to have English Canada date, and then it tells us the specific date format. So we've selected E1, we're on the Home tab here, and we want to click in the numbers group, the dialog box here. It already has date selected in the category, and from here in the location, we just want to scroll up till we get to English Canada. And here in this group, we want to scroll all the way down to this one. It's because it says DD, which is the day. Then we have the 3 M's, which is the month, and then the year, 2-digit date year. So we'll go ahead and click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go to the Rental Revenue tab, and what it wants us to do is to use actually the goal seeking feature to calculate a new rental fee to help with the projected revenue for $160,000. So we're going to go ahead and put our cursor here in H7, and then from here we want to go to the Data tab here at the top, and then in the Forecast group we have the What If analysis, and what we want is goal seek here. So because we selected H7, that set cell is already keyed in for us, and it tells us that they're looking to have a revenue of $160,000, and it's asking us how are we going to get to this goal, and we want to use the rental fee, which is H6. And we'll click OK, and then we'll click OK to set that. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and E2, go to the sales summary sheet. Now I have some sad news here. This is a hard formula. We're using the cube functions. This is a nested statement. I've done a lot of research. I'm still struggling to comprehend this, and so I'm sad to say this, but I need to click Mark for Review. Let's go ahead and move on to Task 5. On the projected sales worksheet, so we'll go ahead and click that. It tells us that we want to go ahead and add a new column named 3% increase for that project sales if increased by 3%. So we want to go ahead and put our cursor here in the pivot table. We want to click the Analyze tab here at the top, and over here in Calculations, Fields, Items, and Sets, we're going to click Calculated Field. The name is going to be 3% increase. And our formula here, there's a few ways you can calculate this formula. They want it keyed in like this, equals parentheses sales multiplied by 3% and then plus sales. But there are other ways to do it. You're not locked into just this way. We'll go ahead and click the sales field down here, and when we click OK, notice it goes ahead and it adds that category for us. We'll go ahead and click Mark Completed.